Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about FLOTEK Industries INC, ticker symbol FTK. Now you can see probably most of the thing are in red if you're talking about the fundamentals, if you're talking about the price action or the price change we have in the last 1 year. And this is a very small cap company, so $44 million worth of market cap we have here. So only one good thing over here, that the valuation looks a bit cheap. That's the only thing we have here, and apart from that we have some increase in the volume, as you can see. So the average volume for the last 3 months was 474k, and the last traded volume is more than 2.6 million. So at least some people do have the interest in this particular stock. Now we have some short ratios that has generated in this particular stock. Apart from that, you have a combined holding of institutional and ownership, which is 40%. So that is decent one. Okay, at least institutions are holding. They have at least some interest, and they are thinking that it is going to perform well. Now, apart from that, if you're looking at the coverages, I think there is nothing much to talk about, although these are all old estimates, target estimates. The only one from the Noble Capital Market, and they have given an outperform rating with the target price of $2.5. But as you can see, I mean, in 2008 and 2015-16 it was $20-30. So the value overall has been depreciated over the last 1 decade or so. Apart from that, we have some buys from the lower end of the range, obviously, because as we have seen, the stock has fallen down quite a lot. So the CEO and the president has been buying since July till November 30th, and although the number of shares are like 2,000, so he does purchase 10,000 shares in the last couple of months, so that's a good sign at least. Now what else we have, which is looking very important as far as the stock is concerned, so let's go and check it out. Yeah, so here we are. Now this is a very recent news. 27th of December we have. So there is a takeover interest. Let's see if we have it, because this is not accessible. So this is what we have here. Now the news we have here is FLOTEK Industries INC has received an unsolicited indication of interest for a potential transaction for all or part of the company. To assist in evaluating this unsolicited indication of interest, FLOTEK's board of management has engaged Piper Sandler and Company as a financial advisor to assist with the evaluation process. There can be no assurance that such evaluation will result in one or more transaction or other strategic change or outcome. The company has not set a timeline for the conclusion of its evaluation of the offer, and it does not intend to comment further until and unless the board has approved a scientific course of action or the company has otherwise determined that future disclosure is appropriate or required by the law. So this is what we have here. Okay, so there is somebody who is interested to purchase the company, or at least part of the company. So let's quickly go to the chart and let's see. So this is the price chart of FLOTEK, and this is the long-term chart of FLOTEK Industries. Now if you are looking at the stock price, the one good thing you have here is a very big discount if you are looking at the overall price. So this is the big support. So you guys have 2 or 3 very important levels to look at, and probably the stock is moving towards the lower end of the range. So what we have here, so you have 3 most important levels to look at. You have your stop loss at 25 cents, so do not go below this level on the downside. Now on the upside, what we are looking here are 68 cents and 97 cents. If the stock started sustaining above these 2 levels, or let's say if the stock started trading above $1 or beyond, and if it sustains that move, you are open for a very big range. You are definitely open here for a very big range. So after after $1.97 or $1, you have three consecutive targets. Started with 3.13, you have 4.3, and then you have 5.24 on the downside, and on the upside, and on the upside, what we have here are, so above 5.24 we have 15.9 or $16, then we have $36, and we have the upper end of the range, which is $50. Now the range between 36 and $50 is quite stretched, but we have to see, is this the reversal that we are expecting, or the big reversal we are expecting, or is this the end? Okay, so for the time being, the main focus we have here is in between 68 cents and 5.2, or let's say 5.5. Once the stock started moving beyond 5.5, then we will open for 16, and so on and so forth. So this is a long term chart which will take a couple of months to years, so do not consider it for the short term. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.